My next guest, he is a Tesla shareholder, has called himself a big believer in that stock since the end of last year. Let's bring in Eric Jackson of EMJ Capital. It's good to see you. What's behind this move, do you think? 10 straight days is something to pay attention to. What's driving that?
I think there's two things, Scott. I think it's the fact that we've gotten away from all the worries and angst about Elon and Twitter. We've gotten away from, fearing that, the price cuts, that's sort of in the distant memory now. And I think people are looking ahead to the fact that they've already sort of guided to record deliveries this year, which everyone likes. And
Tesla's stock price has been rallying. Something particularly impressive for a stock that was down almost $100 share price just a few months ago. In today's video, we've got a mind-blowing revelation that will have you on the edge of your seat. A topic that has been on everyone's mind and has the potential to turn even the strongest Tesla bears into bulls. What we're going to be sharing with you today reveals the tremendous possibility of Tesla stock reaching extreme all-time highs once again. Probably a $300 mark for a start, and this will be in no distant time. So, if you're eager to know what's in store for Tesla stock, get ready to embark on a terrifyingly electrifying journey as we explore the thrilling possibilities for the most lucrative EV stock out there. Don't miss a second of this video because we've got some fascinating insight to share.
Automaker saying, you know what? Let's just go with Tesla. It's a better way to go than to have a separate charging standard. And again, this is for those public charging standards. Stations, you've got the Tesla superchargers, and then you got everybody else. And John, I should point out, if you talk with those who have studied the public chargers in this country, the ones that are not Tesla, they get terrible reviews. And about 20% of the time, they do not work. Either the credit card doesn't work, or it's slow, or it just plain doesn't work. So GM is saying, you know what, let's give the people who buy our EVs more access, and they'll have access to about half of the Tesla superchargers. John, back to you.
Phil, what are the revenue and profit implications for Tesla here? Is this like licensing revenue that they're going to end up getting?
Good question. We don't know what the parameters are. One of the questions we'll have from Mary Barra, similar to what we had with Jim Farley in terms of, look, you can't charge for power in this country. In other words, you can't say to somebody, well, you're going to pay this for power, but everybody else is going to pay a different rate. You can't do that, but you can charge people to have access to getting to the same power.
After hitting a low point in early January, Tesla shares have been more than 100% over what they were, partly due to the company's notable efforts to expand its customer base. Tesla stock performance has allowed the EV maker to become one of the best performers in the S&P 500. The stock price was recently up for 9 consecutive days, gaining about 24% over that span, and was on pace for its best close since early October, according to Dow Jones market data. At the time, the stock had risen about 84% this year, and more rallies are expected in the days ahead. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla stock saw a 65% decline in 2022, partly due to lockdowns in China and Elon Musk's turbulent acquisition of Twitter. However, the EV maker managed to regain some of Wall Street's confidence by reporting record-breaking quarterly revenue and earnings in January. This positive momentum continued with Tesla's Q1 2023 results, which were partly impressive due to the fact that over the past few months, Tesla stock price has seen its own fair share of ups and downs. However, despite these short-term fluctuations, the long-term trend has been remarkable. Will Tesla stock continue on this upward trend? And will investors see a $300 share price by the end of the month? We're going to have more details in this video. But before we start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Tesla has grown into one of the world's largest publicly traded companies based on market capitalization. The automaker has been a strong performer in the past, and while it has faced some difficulties in the past 2 years or so, analysts are optimistic about its future. There are a few factors that suggest a potential rise in Tesla stock price in the near future. The stock is already trading at almost $240 at the time of this video, and it's only a matter of time before it hits the $300 mark. One of the key factors driving Tesla's growth potential is its relentless focus on expanding production capacity. Tesla is building Gigafactories across the globe, increasing its ability to meet the soaring demand for electric vehicles. This expansion not only positions Tesla to capture a larger market share, but it also sets the stage for continued growth and scalability. Similarly, Tesla's technological advancements have been instrumental in its success and competitive edge. From groundbreaking battery technology to cutting-edge autonomous driving capabilities, Tesla continues to push the boundaries. These advancements not only attract customers, but also keep Tesla ahead of its competition in the electric vehicle market. What about its partnership? Its batteries, the cars, and the fantastic tax credits that all these cars are getting. These are crucial factors that will move Tesla's stock price up the chart as they can potentially scale the automaker's revenue to unimaginable levels. General Motors CEO Mary Barra recently announced that the car company will integrate Tesla's electric vehicle charging standard in its future EVs. This agreement between Tesla and GM comes less than 2 weeks after Ford announced a similar partnership, signaling that the automaker could soon follow. And others too. These partnerships not only demonstrate the magnitude of Tesla's influence, but also showcase the collaborative efforts shaping the future of sustainable transportation. They provide Tesla with an avenue to share technology, knowledge, and resources. By collaborating with established automotive manufacturers, Tesla gains access to valuable expertise in areas like mass production, supply chain management, and global distribution networks. The automaker also gains access to new markets and customer segments. Partnerships enable Tesla to tap into existing distribution channels and leverage brand recognition, accelerating the adoption of its EVs worldwide. With the market dominance that it's got going, relentless innovation, global expansion, and commitment to sustainable energy, Tesla has laid out a strong foundation for future growth and success. And then there's also tax credits. Governments worldwide are increasing support for electric vehicles and clean energy initiatives, providing favorable conditions for Tesla's growth. And as the world shifts towards cleaner energy sources, Tesla is well positioned to capitalize on this transition, opening new doors to new revenue streams. With subsidies, incentives, and stricter emission regulations, Tesla stands to benefit from these policies, further bolstering its market position. There are some good reasons to ascribe part of the recent rally at Tesla to Twitter. Musk finally announced that he was hiring a CEO for Twitter in May, adding at Tesla's annual shareholders meeting that he was committed to running the electric vehicle company. It's been a while, but maybe the Twitter overhang is finally out of Tesla stock. The potential of Tesla's stock price to rise in the near future does seem promising. With expanding production capabilities, technological advancements, sustainable energy initiatives, and favorable regulatory conditions, Tesla continues to position itself as a market leader. However, while we've explored the positive aspects, it is crucial to consider the potential risks and challenges that come with investing in Tesla stock, and pretty much any other EV stock. Factors such as market volatility, regulatory changes, competition, and supply chain challenges should definitely not be overlooked. Be aware of these risks, and it's essential for making informed investing decisions, as investing in any company carries inherent risks. Overall, with Tesla's unwavering determination to revolutionize transportation and its position as a catalyst for change, the potential reward can be substantial. Through strategic alliances, Tesla continues to revolutionize transportation while delivering on its mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Do you think Tesla stock can reach $300 by the end of June? Let us know down below. And don't forget to tell us what your valuation of Tesla is. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.